Hi everyone. Guess what? Marion bought me new apron. Noi bigger. N-O-I. N-O-I. Very important. In Thai, Noi means VIP. Special person. Just joking. Noi means little. But I'm not little. Okay. Today I'm making sticky salmon. This one's so good. You listen to noise. Okay, get the salmon. Put it on a tray. I got baking paper here. I don't like washing up. Now you see this one? Now I'm gonna use Marion special sauce. Chili ginger sauce. Just remember what they call. It's delicious. That's important. Oh, I love this one, smells so good. This one you can buy from America and Australia. If you can't buy, go to Marion's website, she got a recipe. We don't want anyone to miss out. See, now I look after you. Pour the salmon. Oh, look how they stick and sticky. That's just what we want. Use a spoon, make sure salmon get all the sauce. This one you don't have to add salt or anything. No oil, very healthy. You can use any kind of fish you want. I just use salmon today. Now bake in the oven. Now we got time to make Noi special coleslaw. We're gonna make Thai style dressing first. 3 cups garlic. And we pound a little bit to get the skin out. See? We don't want the skin. Now we add the chili. Marion likes the spicy. Maybe I can burn my son-in-law too. I'm gonna put 4 chili. Oh, this one gonna be spicy. If you want it mild, you can use less chili. Take the stalk out. This one, no good. In here. Now we pound the chili, garlic, roughly. I think about son-in-law when I do the party. Just joking. I love my son-in-law. Sometimes. Now I get the spoon. Now we add the fish sauce. And palm sugar. You use this one, you shape it up. I show you. You don't have palm sugar, you use regular sugar. And add the palm sugar and mix it up. Mixing, people. I just gonna break up the palm sugar a bit. Now add the lime juice. Add the lime. And we mix together. Now I got a coleslaw vegetable. White cabbage. And the red cabbage. I love the color, this one. And the carrot. I'm gonna add the chili tomato too. Just slice it up. Put the chili tomato. Now we add the dressing. Oh, gonna be good. Mix it all up. Look at the color. That's the healthy too. So fresh and crunchy. Perfect with the fish. I'm gonna have a little taste. Oh, very good. I give 10 out of 10. Son-in-law gonna get burned this one. Oh, look at my salmon. So good. See how sticky? Now it's so quick. Time to serve it up. I want coleslaw put on the plate. So colorful. And the salmon? Look how beautiful. Another winner from Noi.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. So our sauces and marinades are in Coles in Australia right now. What should people do?
Head to Coles, you don't miss out.
Listen to Noi.
Yeah.